New Year's Eve and we're at Coffin Bay. We're currently looking for a spot to fit 11 cars. That includes a 2-wheel drive van. So we're just looking around trying to find somewhere that can accommodate for everybody. And that's far away from people so we can have a massive bush off and not annoy anybody.
Well, it's New Year's Eve, so all the boys have loaded up with goon. Waiting on Duffy to get him faced. It was f***ing $13, so it probably shouldn't be that good.
I love that. How many drinks?
32. It's less than 50 cents a standard.
So we're at Coles Point at the moment. It's just northwest kind of Coffin Bay. We had a bit of a flop with Coffin Bay National Park. It was all booked out and we couldn't get a spot. So me, Sean and Jack have hooked it down here to try and find a spot for the others. And while they've gone to Port Lincoln to try and find another spot, it's all over the place. But it looks like we found a pretty mint one.
Hopefully everyone likes it.
We've been here for an hour and a half. The boys, or the rest of the crew is finally just rocking up. We're all set up, we're a little bit half cut, but that's okay. Yeah, all is good in the hood.
So we caught a fish. Jaden did. We didn't get it on record because we were way down there without a camera. But I think it was a something fish that I don't remember. Tastes alright, cook him up. Bit of rod shit, bit of green shit, bit of white shit.
Nice.
But yeah, nah.
Good as gold.
Good as gold.
I don't know, do something.
Hey guys, my name's Sam, and today on Top Dog 3, we will be going great white shark diving.
About half an hour, we've got about an hour to go to the first spot. We don't know if there's any sharks there yet, there's no guarantee, but we've got a couple spots that we can go to, and we're going to go swim with some sharks and sea lions.
Swimming those Australian sea lions was sick. If you ever find yourself down in Port Lincoln, I do recommend. It was an absolute unreal experience. We were pretty lucky to be able to do the sea lion swim and the shark dive in one trip. We ended up 45 miles offshore looking for sharks. We found 6 of them, and once we found them, they were there to stay. They definitely weren't afraid of the boat, and they definitely weren't afraid of the cage. As you can see, they got pretty damn close. Just have a go at this. Watch the thing. Oh, she just hit that cage. Look at Sambo in the corner, he's stoked. Mate, I was up top and I felt that hit.
Good morning!
Well, after a sick day of shark diving yesterday, we saw a few of them, and sea lion swimming. We are now at the Discovery Parks in Port Lincoln. It's a pretty good little spot, right on the water. We're just rigging up, or trying to rig up in my case, a couple of squid jigs, because apparently there's a whole heap of squid around here. See if we can get something to eat tonight.
Unreal. Huge fish. Absolutely unreal.
If you've made it this far through the video, thank you so much for watching. I know it's pretty cliche of me to say, but make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for part 3.